Nursing handoff, a change in process. To summarize what was presented in the previous presentation, increased boarding times in the emergency department result in higher mortality rates. It was determined through studies that there's a positive correlation between time spent in the emergency department and inpatient length of stay. Additionally, a standardized handoff process was associated with a significant reduction in nursing and handoff-related errors. It increased nursing accountability and perception of patient safety. Here is a SWOT analysis overview for our Elmhurst handoff process. Strengths. Phone communication nurse to nurse is direct, and information is relayed in real time. Weaknesses. Nurses have to overcome multiple hurdles for report to be given, the biggest issue being that both have to sync up at the phone in order to give or receive report. This is done multiple times throughout the night. The most common statements we have been receiving as nurses attempting to give report are that the nurse is at the bedside or the nurse taking report is on break. Common issues highlighted by the admitting nurses are that the reports lack structure, there's missing information, or the information is not up to date. The biggest resource that we cannot get back during the 12-hour shift is time. Time both ED and floor nurses need to provide optimal care to their patients. Opportunities. This brings us to how we can reach a middle ground between report. This method of nursing handoff is in keeping with the NYCHHC's iCare standards and values. Through usage of a digital handoff, patients' information is safe and care is more readily provided, maintaining integrity. Patients are cared for first, handoff taking a back seat, allowing for more compassionate care. Through planned documentation of handoff and management of time, accountability is improved. As we work together to develop this new handoff, there's a newfound respect to the process, along with respect for the nurse's time. In various facets of our work life, much has improved. When I first started, it was pen and paper documentation. Now it's digital. Vital signs were input manually, now automatic, and we used to illustrate pressure ulcers and injuries. Now images can be placed directly into the chart. This is another route in a nurse's pursuit of excellence and continued learning. Threats. Previously, we compared Elmhurst against other HHC facilities where we were ranked 10th place out of 11. In standings in the whole of New York State, we are at the top of the bottom, tripling the national average of 102 minutes and doubling the New York State average of 150 minutes at 328 minutes. I spoke with multiple nurses from both public and private sectors and the methods used by the hospital system for handoff. I then compared their timings here, with New York University Hospital at 156 minutes with no handoff, filling out the report in the computer. Maimonides Medical Center with faxing the report, and North Shore University Hospital also faxing the report to the floor. Our duty as nurses is to bring the practice into the future. We are the change agents. By embracing the opportunities and technologies readily available to us, we can improve the level of care. A quote by our NYSNA president: "Only an activated, knowledgeable, and involved membership can make change happen. This is where you come in. Leaders are important, true, but it's the members who move mountains. So let's get going." Here's my envisioned change in nursing report flow. The bed becomes available in Epic. The ED charge nurse communicates with the admit charge nurse for the name of the admitting RN who will take report. The ED forwards a patient report using secure chat. The admit RN reviews the admission report sheet. Here is where accountability comes in. You can see that the secure chat is time-stamped, and there are multiple notifications in Epic to show you that a message has been received. The admit RN reviews and asks additional questions via chat, then messages the go-ahead for the ED. The ED then places the patient into transport. The goal is to reduce the bed ready to assigned to occupy time down to 290 minutes in the first 6 months, down to 250 within a year, and then 200 minutes in 2 years. Thank you.